here's what we got. Here's some veggies. A lot of veggies, and then eggs and other proteins such as we're gonna store them and then clean up everything and then maybe cook something after. Dyeing my hair tonight because I want to look decent for tomorrow's podcast guesting. My hair is not really looking good right now. I already have everything I need: the colorant, the oxidizer. One half of this. I'm scared of color. By the way, I bought light golden blonde. But why does it look copper brown inside? Maybe it'll change over time. I'm not sure, but let's just hope for the best. Why does it look like that? Is it orange? Actually, earlier I was picking what design. I don't know what to use, but I was picking what color to choose. I was thinking pink at first, but they don't have pink there at the moment because last time I got pink. Anyway, I got this instead. Okay, let's start. First coverage. If it turns out patchy, let's just call it artistic expression. Who knows? I'm an artist, so it's not an accident, it's just an expression. Hi guys, it's morning. I know I did not film last night because I decided to just film it in the morning for a good natural light. Looks fine. I'm going to prep for a podcast later afternoon. I just got home from doing the podcast. I didn't really film everything while yapping. It's a great and fun experience. Thank you so much for the whole team, Minor Inconvenience Podcast, for having me as your guest. And yeah, it was really a great opportunity. So thank you so much. I can thank you all enough. Thank you so much for the efforts and